guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you several different ways that you can wear a Louis Vuitton Bandeau. Now I have wanted one of these for so long, honestly, but I just couldn't justify it, to be honest. Like, it's a lot of money for a piece of material and I just couldn't do it. However, obviously we've done it. I love it. I will tell you more about it. So I have an Alma BB in Damier a bin, which is downstairs, and I just can't be bothered. And I'd noticed on the handles that there was some wearing on the inside. And I've known for so long that I need to get a bandeau or a scarf or to put something on the handles. Otherwise, it's just going to get completely worn. Now, I literally looked at Pinterest, Google, Instagram, YouTube, all of the platforms to see which, I guess, design and style I wanted to go for with the bandeau, because I kind of knew I was just gonna get one. Like, I'm not gonna be spending that much money to get a couple, so I wanted to get one that worked with that color scheme. So I picked up this stunning design. Like, I absolutely love this. It just really spoke to me. I don't know, there was just something about it that really stood out, and yeah, I just really love it. So I will tell you the actual details about this. So of course this is in Australian dollars and it is in stock at the moment. So if you've been waiting to order this, definitely pick it up. So this is called the Louis Vuitton World Bandeau. It's $375. And what it says about it is the LV World Bandeau highlights the house history of trunk making and travel. Wild animal prints, a compass, and the LV signature decorate this on-trend skinny scarf woven of pure silk in rich brown with golden details. A stylish gift idea. It can be worn a number of fashionable ways, which I will show you, as I just said. It's 120 by 8 by 8. It's 100% silk. They say the color brown. It's monogram flower and LV initials as the signature. So yes, I haven't put this on my Alma yet, but as I said, this is to show you several different ways that you can wear it. So I wanted to first show you on my Neverfull. So a lot of people you can just simply tie, honestly, just a bow, a simple bow, and that's what it looks like. I really love how the monogram print actually works so well with this. Okay, so a lot of people wear these in different ways, so I'm going to show you. So the classic way that I've seen this, you literally tie it around. Let me sit back. Make sure the ends are in line, and you just simply tie a knot. You can leave it like this, which is just super classy, sort of like more, I would say, formal, like corporate looking. You can do that. You can even just leave it like this. I mean, with a plain black or white shirt, how nice does that look? Like, it just really elevates a plain outfit. Or you can do the classic little bow around the neck. Show you, which is super cute. Like, look at that. Such like flight attendant vibes. But isn't it just so nice? A lot of people, just turn that down, will also sort of do it more to the side. And just how cute. I really love this, surprisingly. I feel like I'm going to wear it a lot more on me than on my bag in a way. Now, I don't really feel like I can pull this off, to be honest. But if you simply want like a 70s vibe, you can just tie it around your head like this. Now, some people this looks incredible on, but I just don't feel like it suits me at all, but the option is definitely there. And then if you do like a cute bow in the back, like it's kind of a vibe if you have like a 70s type party to go to, or you know, if you're going by the pool. Oh, that could be actually cute, like a pool vibe. Like if I had, wait, if I had a pair of sunglasses. So I have these Gucci Star sunglasses, like that's kind of a vibe. Okay, maybe I don't hate it as much as I thought. So definitely an option. This is like, I'm learning as well. Bring some of your hair to the front and then put the rest at the back, and then you can also fold this over so it's a bit easier, and just behind where you have sectioned your hair, put the bandeau, move it to one side, and then just tie, let me try to show you, and then just tie a knot. It's probably easier if you tie your hair up for this. And then you can bring it forward like that on either side. But like, how cute is that? I think that is so, so cute. Literally bring it forward like you're wearing a scarf. Now, it is very personal preference. If you want your hair behind your ears, definitely do that. Or bring a piece forward. I'll show you what it looks like with my hair behind. And then just simply tie it up. I feel like in a bow just looks a little bit neater, but it is honestly completely up to you, and that's what that looks like. So I mean, I don't personally love this style with the bow. Yeah, I wouldn't wear it like this, but it's still cute. So again, sorry, I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror, so if I'm looking a bit strange, that's why. So section your hair as you usually would. Now I will leave pieces out at the front, and I will leave my fringe out. So just your normal half up, half down, like that. I'm gonna turn my chair and do this. And then simply, as you would, now if I was going out, I would probably like loop this through the elastic band just so it doesn't fall out. But then simply a little bow, and then have that like hanging down. That is cute. You can't really see it on this side. That is so cute. I feel like this is definitely my new look. You can also, if you don't want to do the bow, you can have it so it's just hanging down like this, which definitely really adds. Okay, another really cute hairstyle, just take this out, now is to do a bun. So just give me a moment. But this is just to give you a good idea. So chuck your hair up in a bun, and then again, completely up to you. You can go with it this way, or you can go this way, which for some reason I don't really like when my hair's out, but I don't mind it. Yeah, I don't mind it. And like sunglasses. How cute. There's just something about this that I feel like really, really works. I really love it. Other ways to also wear this around your neck. So halve it. I was like thinking, how do I explain this? Halve it, very simple. And then basically just tie a knot in the very end. So this can be also adjusted once you sort of get the idea of what I'm doing. So basically it's just a circle, literally a circle. Put it on and that's it. Literally, that is it. And so cute. Again, like so easy, so cute. And what I mean that this can be adjusted, you can tie it shorter or not longer because this is the end, but you can adjust the length that you prefer by obviously just tying it shorter. So yeah, super simple, super easy. There is my dog. He is just woken up. Hi, Rocky. So there is that. And the other way, again, halve it. So get exactly half here, like that, so the ends touch. Put this around your neck and just pull it through. And that's it. So it's like a little tie. And again, super cute, super easy, and it just changes an outfit completely. Like it really elevates it, gives it something more. And I mean, you don't need to have a Louis Vuitton Bandeau. This will work with any other brand. This is just giving you ideas on this one in particular. Okay, and the last two ways that, I mean, there would be so many ways, but this is the last two that I know of. So wrap it around your neck like that. Move your hair just to the front, or honestly, it's probably easier to tie it up. Move your hair there. Let me come forward. Let me tie this up actually. So it's around your neck and basically double it up. You can move it so it's even, and I feel like this way looks better when the scarf is not halved. So like that. Make sure, yeah, as I said, the ends are quite even, and simply tie a knot. Now, the last way, which I don't have the best outfit on. Now, if you are, you can also use this as a belt. Now for me, it's it's more of like a high belt because I'm not that skinny, but just with like a cute little dress or something like that, like see the difference? You can move it like this, but like I literally have tracksuit pants on and just a daggy top, but imagine a better outfit. And then that's what the back would look like. So, I mean, if you're skinnier, you could definitely move it down. But for me, it's more of like up here. And that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed these different ways to wear the bandeau. If you have this one or any other bandeau, let me know your thoughts, and if you wear it more as a bag protector or if you wear it more on yourself as an accessory. I honestly didn't think I would want to wear it as an accessory, but I don't know, there's something that I'm finding really fun about it. So I think I need it on my bag, which is like most important. But I also love the idea that when I'm not using the bag, I'll probably be wearing this. But also, if you've learnt a different way to wear your bandeau, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. And of course, if there's any other ways, let me know as well, because I love I would love to try it. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thank you. Bye.